I love it. My favorite oil ever. Everyone needs. That baby is so amazing. This makes my hair feel like how smooth my hair is when I get it professionally done. It's also important that I go to an old school hairstylist. Yeah, I am relaxed. Don't crucify me. Y'all have tried to crucify me in the past. Hi guys. Excuse me. Y'all know I'm trying to get over this cold. My goodness. Let's try that again. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my top 5 hair care products that I think any woman or man would love, kind of regardless of your hair texture type, natural, relaxed, curly, straight, wavy, frizzy, gray, purple, black, brown, blonde. So I'm excluding things that are targeted towards being relaxed, having gray hair like I have. These are going to be my general top 5 products. You guys have asked for more hair care videos. And I always tell you it's kind of hard because I really don't add new products very often. And I've shared over 1,500 videos on my channel. There's so many hair care videos, but I figured I could share my top 5 favorites of all time. If that's something that interests you, then please keep watching. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know you all love my hair care content, which is why I thought of this new video idea that I could do. I do love sharing hair stuff, hair care, healthy hair care. Just recently I got a fresh relaxer and my hair isn't cut, it's just in these curls. So it is still about down to here, but I love Southern Belle curls, which is what I call them. Curls are my thing. I know some people think it looks old, but give me curls. It just makes me happy. So that's what's going on with my hair. Of most importance to me is healthy hair care. I am relaxed. Don't crucify me. Y'all have tried to crucify me in the past. Maybe not y'all, but those people in the back. I believe in doing what you have to do, what you feel is right for you. Where I am in my life right now, I can't go to the hair salon every week. I can't spend 3 to 4 hours every week straightening my hair because I like to wear it straight. Being relaxed is just what works for me for ease and convenience. So I do stretch them out. I get a relaxer every 4 months, which means I get it every quarter. So it's not as damaging. I'm not over processing my hair. That's just what works for me. It's also important that I go to an old school hairstylist. Yeah, my stylists care about health, moisture, protein, getting a trim, getting a cut if you need it. You guys know that I have worn a bob in the past. I will do whatever I have to do to maintain healthy hair. That is why I have healthy, relaxed hair. That's why my hair is gray. Also, I do want to touch on that. I started graying at 16. I am part Japanese. We tend to gray faster. No, nothing is wrong with me. That's just what it is. And in 2020, I decided to stop pulling out my gray hair because I wanted to help encourage other women and men to embrace their gray hair. I know not everybody will. It was definitely a journey for me, but now my gray hair is a part of me and I love it. I don't feel super old. I'm still in my mid-ish 30s and it is what it is. So let's get into my favorite products. First, we're gonna start with one that y'all know I've been using for probably 7+ years. This is the Redken Extreme Anti-Snap. Now it's interesting because whenever I do these videos, I always say the same thing. I don't know what exactly it's doing, but I'm gonna keep using it because it doesn't hurt. So this is an anti-breakage leave-in treatment. And I went to a new stylist recently and he used this product. So he actually used a few products that I'm gonna share today. So I was like, okay, I know I'm still on track. This helps to minimize breakage, which I do tend to experience breakage. I'm relaxed. I can tend to experience breakage in the back of my hair at the bottom and it'll break in like an inverted U shape. So I have to use a product that is anti-breakage. I spray a few pumps in my palms, rub them together, and I put it around the perimeter of my hair and at the nape of my neck at the back where I'm more prone to breakage. I've been using this for over 7 years probably. I love it, love it, love it because it doesn't hurt my hair and I know that stylists really like this. So yeah, Redken's Anti-Snap. They did change the packaging also, but the same product. She's a staple for sure. My second top, think I overdid it with filming today. My second top favorite is this Pureology product that I never know the name of. Color Fanatic Multitasking Leave-In Spray. This, I wish I could see how much I had left. It is a miracle leave-in conditioner. It helps protect against color fading if you have color. It helps protect against frizziness. It's a heat protectant. It conditions your hair. It does so many things. It detangles. It makes blow drying easier. This makes my hair feel like how smooth my hair is when I get it professionally done. So I don't go to the hair salon very often. I only go every 4 months to get my relaxer. But when you go get your hair done, it just feels silkier and smoother. This gives you that feel at home. One of my girls recommended it to me and I've been using it ever since. It is so amazing. It makes my hair smooth. The cuticle just feels so smooth and intact. I really love it. My new hairstylist uses this as well. So this is another one of those products I'm like, okay, I know it's great, but this is like an all-in-one leave-in conditioner that you need, especially if you do your own hair at home. I love the way this makes my hair look and feel so soft, silky, and just amazing. I cannot live without this. I see the difference immediately and I feel it. And it also smells nice. It's like a light floral scent. I love this stuff. It's expensive. Pureology is expensive, but well worth it for sure. My next product I actually left upstairs by accident, but it is the KeikoBeauty Bow Mint Deep Conditioning Treatment. That baby is so amazing. So this is a deep conditioner that is meant for curly, textured hair. Y'all know that I'm relaxed. I use it and I love it. It makes my hair so hydrated and strong without making it heavy. So a lot of deep conditioners that are meant for natural hair can weigh my hair down because I have very fine hair and it's relaxed. So I really can't use a bunch of products in my hair, especially that weigh it down. This deep conditioner is so amazing. I use it as a conditioner every time I wash my hair. So I don't use a shampoo and then a conditioner. I go straight to this deep conditioner. I leave it in my hair for about 10 minutes. It makes your hair so soft, so hydrated. The first time I tried it, I was hooked. It is very pricey, but it is amazing. You can use it for any hair type, I think, because it's so lightweight. I can't live without it. There is another KeikoBeauty line, the blue tansy line that they sent me in PR. I haven't tried it yet, but that KeikoBeauty deep conditioner, everyone needs. Try the travel size. I promise you'll fall in love with it. You'll love it. It's really that great. All my natural hair friends were talking about it, and so I was like, let me see if this works for relaxed hair, and it does. So shout out to KeikoBeauty. We love it. It's also a black hair care brand, which we love. Now, speaking of washing and conditioning, my shower routine, my shampoo that I can't get enough of is the Moroccan Oil Moisture Repair Shampoo. This is what I've been using for probably all year, I think. Old hairstylists used this line once and I smelled it and I saw the bottle and I went home and bought it. Like, that's the type of customer I am. I'm always paying attention to what they're doing when I get my hair done so that I can replicate those results at home. Now, this has a more masculine cologne-y scent. This also doesn't lather the best. You have to use a lot for it to lather. And at first I was like, I don't know if this is doing enough, but it really does make my hair feel hydrated and strong. Anything that's moisturizing and reparative, I love using. As you're noticing from my top 5 products, I treat my hair as if it were really damaged. Because I am relaxed, because I do have gray hair, because there's so many things going on with my hair and it is finer, I treat it as though it were damaged to help build up protein and hydration. So this is the Moisture Repair Shampoo. I love it. It makes my hair feel strong and it makes my hair very hydrated. Everything that I use is all about hydration because as someone with a relaxer, my hair can dry out and that is how my hair becomes damaged. That and lack of protein. So I love this so much. I've been using it all year. It's a staple for sure. My last product is something that I started using this year when I tried Olaplex. I did an Olaplex challenge and this is the only product that I still have in my collection. So catch it if you catch it. This is the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. And I love this oil. I used it today because it's so lightweight. It smells, well, I can't smell it right now, but I want to say it's slightly fruity, but it's a very lightweight oil, so it doesn't weigh your hair down. It gives you amazing shine I also want to say people use it as a heat protectant. I don't really use it for that. I use it as a finishing oil. I love it. My favorite oil ever. It does go on sale at Nordstrom, so I will link this down below, but it's amazing. The only products I love from the line. There's really nothing like more that I could say. It's the best oil. It's lightweight. It's hydrating. I think any hair type would love it. Yeah, it's a staple. Now I had to include just one last product. It's actually a mask by DIY Masks, so this is a bonus. I will flash the instructions across the screen. I use the Queen Helene mask to add protein to my hair. 4 years ago when I had to cut my hair during the pandemic, my hair was lacking protein and hydration. So my stylist put me on this routine to build up the protein and hydration in my hair, and within 6 months, my hair was long again. Now I did continue to cut it into a bob for probably about a year, but that mask grew my hair really strong and really long, and it keeps my hair strengthened. So it contains eggs, mayonnaise, and Queen Helene super cholesterol, or the regular cholesterol. You can also just use the Queen Helene. Sometimes if I'm in a rush, I won't use all those different ingredients, but I use it once a month the first time I wash my hair for the month, and it has kept my hair in amazing condition. So I love it. I swear by that DIY mask. I have a few videos on it. I will link those down below, but I had to include that in this top 5 products video. So guys, that's all I have to share with you today. My top 5 products for healthy hair, the products that I love. These are like my favorite products of all time, at least my top 5 plus 1. There are other hair care products that I love. I will link my most recent hair care video down below and routine so that you guys can see how I take care of my hair on the daily. Leave any comments or questions you guys have below. I love you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.